One sec. So I'll put in the readable format. Can you see my screen?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you so very much once again. Good morning to everyone. And today I'm going to give the demo about so overall not only cybersecurity but also for different security technologies. So in this particular demo, I will give the agenda of the whatever session I'm going to take and introduction about myself and also demo and finally Q&A, nothing but questions and answer session. So coming back to introduction about myself. So this is Ramakrishna. Most of the people will call me as a RK or Ram or Manuraju or Raju. There are so many names according to the so whatever Asia Pacific related culture and also Western culture. So you can call me as a whatever you like. So coming back to, I have 16 plus years of experience into almost all the security technologies, starting with endpoint security, network security, application security, cyber security, cloud security, product security, mobile security, IoT security, and so on. So that is about myself. So coming back to so IT technologies, next slide. So in this particular scenario, what I want to explain about, so as per 2024, as per the Greek website, as per the so couple of ISC Square or ISACA or European Council, and also from the Forbes related security, not only security, overall IT technologies. What are the leading technologies right now? It is available. First and foremost, it is a machine learning or artificial intelligence. It's a topmost number one technology all over the worldwide right now in the software and IT industry. Second one is data science or big data or data owner or data scientist and so on. So that is on the second technology. So this particular survey, I took it from the multiple websites, multiple survey related. So Gartner report or some other reports. Then finally, I made it this particular slide. So topmost second security techno, not security. So topmost IT software in the industry, it is involved data science and big data. Third one is cloud computing, part of Alibaba, Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and Oracle and IBM and so on. Fourth one is cyber security. When I say cyber security, not only includes cyber security, but also it includes other security technologies as well. I will give the in-depth analysis about fourth point. So what are the different types of security technologies we do have and how we are how we are collaborating or coordinating with other teams and what is the importance of the security and so on the fourth point. Next one is Python, next one is quantum computing, robotics, and evergreen programming and IT technologies like C, C++, Java, full stack developer, or VLSI designing, ERP platforms like SAP or Oracle and Power BI, MuleSoft, and so on. So these are all the trending technologies as per the 2024. So as I said earlier, I took it from the multiple websites and multiple the feedback and survey and the summary from the different websites and made it this particular slide. Coming back to whatever I'm going to teach in future from the tomorrow onwards, that is part of the fourth one, that is nothing but cyber security. Yeah, next slide is cyber security SOC. When I'm say about cyber security SOC, as I said earlier, it is not only included cyber security SOC, but also it is included other security technologies as well. And whatever I do experience part of the 16 plus, so I will deliver about sales, pre-sales, design, implementation, operational support of L1, L2, L3, and also tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So you have to choose which particular technology is sufficient for your career growth for already working professionals, and also as a fresher, which is good. So as a fresher, I will suggest please go with endpoint or network or information, or else cyber security. If you are experienced person, I will suggest cyber security, or else application security, mobile security, product security, IoT security, or generative AI security, and so on. Yeah, so I will explain about each and everything in-depth analysis of the security technologies in our preceding slides. Yeah. So before making to the cyber security technologies and cyber security or information security, whatever other security technologies we do have. So first I will explain about security. So security has a different definition basically as per the Google, as per the general. So what is mean by security? So the state of being free from any damage or any theft or any robbery. So that is called Google definition or general meaning of the security. When you say the state of being free from, so nothing but here. So we should be freedom of the respective confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and nobody should has to take our data as a information or collection of the respective data. So that is the security definition. So in the part of IT domain and also in the part of software industry technology, what is meant by security definition? It is nothing but protecting of the data, protecting of the organization, protecting of the assets, protecting of the servers, protecting of the databases, protecting of the entire organization basically. So that is called security. Okay. So let's go and discuss about different types of security technologies. Before going to the different types of security technologies, whatever we are going to discuss, first I will explain about what is hacking, what is hacker types, how many hackers are there, and what are the objectives of the each and every hacker. Okay, so first is what is meant by hacking. So hacking is nothing but attacker or intruder or hacker or maybe threat actor or malicious actor. He will try to compromise some of the data, or he will try to compromise some of the credentials, or he will try to compromise any privacy of the data. So that is nothing but unauthorized access. For example, maybe your passport number, your mobile number, your Aadhaar card number, your voter ID, your credentials like username and password, so your bank accounts. So all those are confidential. So what attacker or a hacker will do, he will try to do the hacking and he will do the blackmailing of this particular unauthorized access or sensitive data. Whatever just now I said about, so all the confidential data or privacy of the data individual wise, in the similar way, this particular accept is it is applicable to organization point of view as well. So whenever I will refer organization, always you can think about business point of view. So every organization contains the business related databases, applications, services, and also endpoints, network, and so on. That particular data we should not disclose to the respective hacker or intruder or attacker. If you are disclosing, what will happen? Obviously, so we lose our confidential data, whatever our organization it is maintaining. In the similar way, so attacker will try to do couple of monetary functions or objectives of the hackers basically easy way of earning money. So that is the first thing. In the similar way, stealing of the data. So easy way of earning money, that is okay. So maybe I will compromise your data, and maybe your Gmail account or Facebook account or Instagram account or your net banking account or PhonePe account and so on. So in case if you don't pay money, obviously I'll change your credentials, or maybe I will change your accounts, and finally I'll get the unauthorized access. So that is the first objective of any attacker or hacker or intruder. Second one is stealing of the data. Most of the people get confusion on the second point, stealing of the data. With stealing of the data, what attacker will do? Don't you think that attacker will not do anything? No, that is wrong opinion, wrong myth. So wrong, so experience, whatever it may be. So basically stealing of the data. For example, maybe, so I'm the hacker or intruder or attacker. So I know, or I stolen about the how to develop. So Apple, iPhone 16 or iPhone 15. In the similar way, Samsung, or in the similar way, any pharmacy related pharma companies like Hetero Drugs or Redis Lab, or the similar way, banking sector like so ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank or SBI Bank and so on. So if they don't have any copyrights, if they don't have any so patents, in that scenario, I will steal the data. Then I can make my own product that is called RK pharma based company, or RK banking sector, or RK so phone, or and so on. So that is the reason. So always we have to make sure that stealing of the data is very, very important from the attacker point of view. Okay. So these are the two main objectives. One is easy way of earning money from the attacker point of view. Second one is stealing of the data, so that he will use a respective data to make sure that whatever so data he collected, so he can create his own patents or copyrights or and so on. So that is the importance of the objectives of the hackers or intruder or attacker or threat actor. There are different types of hackers basically. So in this slide, I given only three. Those three are black hat hackers, white hat hackers, gray hat hackers. Not only these three, but also we have the different types of hackers like green hat hackers, blue hat hackers, and red hat hackers. So what are the differences between these three different types of hackers, or attackers, or intruders, or threat actors? So all those words are whatever I'm referring synonyms basically. So block hat hackers complete like a real hackers. So they have the coding knowledge, they have the programming knowledge, how to compromise the database, how to compromise the organization, how to compromise the application, how to compromise the server, how to compromise in database. So they are real hackers basically. So those people we can call it as block hat hackers. Second one is white hat hackers. So white hat hackers basically they have the no knowledge. So they are like our internal employees of the organization, or maybe they know about each and every organization perfectly, about the information or data, and also they know about each and every person personal data. So that is called white hat hackers basically. So white hat hackers also we can consider as a authorized hacker, and black hat hackers we can consider as a criminal hackers. So last one is gray hat hackers. Gray hat hackers are combination of both black and white. Okay, so they have the combination of both black and also white. Nothing but they have the known information, and also they have the unknown information as well. So it's like a combination. We can consider it as a partial. Not only these hackers, along with these hackers, even we do have couple of other hackers like green hat, blue hat, and red hat hackers. So total we have 6 types of the hackers, and these people, they will try to always hacking, or they will try to get the unauthorized access or sensitive data exposure. So that is about the what is meant by hacking, hacking types, and also types of the hackers. So before going to the security technologies, as I said, as per 2024 survey, so cyber security from the top most trending technology is a fourth one. So that is the reason these trending technologies, so respective universities or colleges, and also uh, respective IITs and NIITs, they put in the even course content or syllabus. So IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT Mumbai, IIT Allahabad or Ahmedabad, sorry. So they have to put these trending technologies in their curriculum, and the respective students, they can choose whatever technology they want. So as I said earlier, machine learning and artificial intelligence number one technology as per 2024 survey. Second one is data science and big data, and also data scientist. And the third one is cloud computing related to Alibaba, Amazon Web Services, Azure, GCP, Oracle, and IBM. Fourth one is cybersecurity. As I said earlier, this is not only includes cybersecurity, but also this includes several security technologies I'm going to discuss within 1 or 2 minutes time period. So other technologies like VLSI design, cloud computing, and also quantum computing, virtual reality, so Power BI, MuleSoft, ERP platforms like SAP or Oracle. So these are the trending technologies as per 2024 survey. I took it from the respective websites or feedback or survey from the different, okay, so organizations. So now, as a part of this particular demo, I will not focus on all these technologies because I'm not a so jock in all trades to know about entire IT and software industry. I know about only dedicated to security technologies. That is nothing but fourth point. So I will explain about security technologies. Can you please confirm? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so. Thank you so very much. There are different types of domains or subdomains or branches of the security. So you can see here in my respective PPT, whatever I prepared yesterday: information security, physical security, endpoint security, network security, infrastructure security. These 5 will fall under the legacy or old. So when Charles Babbage invented in 1984 computer, from that particular time to so till today, so first 5 technologies are old or legacy. That doesn't mean that it's outdated. That doesn't mean that it's end of life or end of support. Till today, we are using these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5: information security, physical endpoint network, infrastructure security. So coming back to trending technologies in the security field right now in the market: application security. So day by day, these applications are increasing. So because of the internet usage, because of the internet cost, because of the application usage increasing at the time of the pandemic. And also second, next one is cloud security. Nowadays, everyone is migrating from on-premise to cloud or data center to cloud. There are so many reasons they are migrating that we can see later. Next one is product security. So this product security is applicable to not like our consulting companies like a TCS or Infosys or Wipro or Accenture or Cognizant or Emphasis. or HCL technologies and so on. Whoever is developing the product, that may be Google, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, Robert Bosch, Honeywell, Philips, Motorola. So all these are product-based companies. So those companies, they require product security. Okay, so that is eighth point. I will give the in-depth analysis how this product security is very important. So next one is cyber security. So cyber security is very important from the organization point of view. Whatever attackers or hackers they are trying to do hacking part. So 24/7. So we have to monitor the respective organization, our customers, our clients. We can make sure that our data should not be exposed to the attacker, and also it should not be disclosed, and also attacker should not do blackmailing kind of thing, and we should not pay any monetary functions, or we should not pay any bitcoins or any cryptocurrency. So that is called cyber security part. Next trending technology right now in the market part of the security, mobile security. So whoever is developing the mobile like Apple or Samsung or so whoever it may be. So each and every applications they are developing in the part of the mobile, and also whatever physical hardware raw data is existing in the part of mobile, we should consider as a so mobile security, and we should take care of the iOS and Android based how the attacker will do hacking part. So that is mobile security. 11th one is very, 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 very important in the current trending technology. So that is OT, operational technology, IoT, Internet of Things, IIoT, industrial Internet of Things. So all those will fall under the 11th one. So I will explain in-depth analysis of the OT, IoT, IIoT in our forthcoming slides. So 12th one is a generative AI security. It's a part of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So whatever, so trending technology it is available in the market right now using so different types of, so how the artificial intelligence will come into our human life, how it will demand, so how we can prevent that particular attacks from the attacker point of view. Not only these 12 technologies part of the security, but also there are a lot of other technologies like cryptocurrency, blockchain, and also other technologies are also involved. So, but these are all the so respective branches or domains or subdomains of so security technologies. Okay, so as I said, you can see in my slide whatever I'm sharing right now. First five are belongs to legacy or old, that is not outdated yet. So 6th to 12th or 13th or 14th or 15th, whatever it may be, these are the trending technologies right now in the market. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I will explain about each and every security technologies importance and how it is benefit to our nation, and also how it is benefit to the customer or client. Let's go and discuss about each and every security technologies. So I'm starting with first and foremost information security. So information security, before going to information security, first I will explain about what is meant by information. Information is nothing but collection of the data. So that particular data may be confidential or public or restricted or internal. So under the information security, we have different types of sub branches. Those are all sub branches are GRC, governance, risk and compliance. It is nothing but auditing. So every organization or every company, it will maintain the two different types of audits. One is security audit. Second one is financial audit. Security audit will be done by our GRC team, governance, risk and compliance, and the financial audit will be done by chartered accountant. So that is the first part of the GRC. We have a lot of vacancies are available. It's one with the trending technology right now in the market. There are so many companies who are recruiting GRC vacancies, starting with Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, Ernst and Young, NCC Corporation. So Morgan and Stanley, Goldman Sachs, so JP Morgan, each and every bank and each and every healthcare industry related to physical endpoint network application cloud and entire organization point of view. So there are so much of packages. There are too much of the packages are available for the part of the GRC. One of my friend is selected for GRC. One of the bank name is called JP Morgan. Is drawing right now 82 lakhs per annum. So it's one of the auditing kind of thing. So what we will do in this scenario, we will take care of the respect to auditing related to entire organization on the physical security, endpoint security, network security, application security, cloud security, and so on. That is first part of the information security as an auditor. Second one is implementation of ISO 27001. Every organization has to maintain the couple of basic things. Those things are HR policies, legal policies, admin policies, transport policies. Each and every employee of the personal and professional related health or maybe technical or personal benefits as well. So that will fall under the implementation of ISO 27001. Okay. Whenever if you want to do any certification, please don't go with generic certifications like ISO 27001 lead auditor or ISO 27001 so expert. It's better to go with CISA. It's a certified information security auditor. That particular certification is so eligible and also is worth it for entire organization or entire worldwide, entire universe. Okay, that we can see later. So third one part of information security, risk management. So when you say risk management, it's not about a personal life related health insurance or personal insurance. Every organization has to maintain the risk as well. So those risks we have to do the assessment on the endpoint side, application side, database side, organization point of view, customer's point of view, client point of view. We can make sure that what is the risk is involved, how many types of the risk we have to consider, and what is the risk mitigation steps we have to consider, and finally, how we can mitigate the risk. So that will fall under the risk management. It's a very important to each and every organization. That may be travel industry, that may be that may be telecom industry, or banking sector, healthcare sector, each and every sector of the business vertical. Last but not least part of the information security, that is nothing but incident response. So every organization has to maintain business continuity planning without any issues or without any availability, without any services unavailable. For example, yesterday I'm planning to transfer X amount of money to my mother. So I was transferring the money to my mother. Unfortunately, yesterday HDFC Bank, they are under maintenance from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. As a customer client, I completely dissatisfied whatever HDFC Bank is doing. Why they can't do in the night time? Because for me, my mother is very important and I have to transfer the money. She has to go to the hospital and so on. But when I was transferring the money from my bank or my phone pay or Google Pay, it is showing like service is unavailable and HDFC Bank is under maintenance. So how I can transfer the money? So whether really HDFC Bank is taking care of the business continuity planning without any services unavailable, without any so availability issues. So that is the importance. If you don't maintain the availability to the end user or customer or client, they will dissatisfied and they will go with the some other options. Maybe I'm disappointed with HDFC Bank. I'll go with ICICI Bank or Citibank or Axis Bank and so on. So that things will fall under the instant response as a part of the business continuity planning and disaster recovery. So these are the practical scenarios I'm explaining. I'm not sure how many people are able to understand and how many people are not able to understand. So, but this is the demo only. So as I said, so our second security technologies, as per the security point of view, physical security. So first one is I already completed part of information security. So information security, basically it will deal about objectives of the organization. So goals, vision and mission and how the particular security is aligned and coordinate and collaborate with the respective business objectives. That is part of information security. Coming back to second security technologies is physical security. So physical security, it is nothing but touchable things. Physical means what? Touchable. So physical security also, you should aware if you want to become CISO of the organization. So couple of physical security technologies, what every organization has to implement are related to access. We should not permit tailgating, nothing but whenever any employee is entering into the organization, one person has to give the access to door and other people has to enter. We don't know what is traceability of the employee when they are entering into the organization and when they are leaving. In the similar fencing, take example of your home. Whenever any robber or thief they are entering into your house or home, so obviously you will keep your door lock, your gate lock. You will make sure that security guard is available in front of the organization or house or home. In the similar way, you will maintain the CCTV cameras, who is entering into your home and who is going out of your home. So all those things will fall under physical security. In the similar way, fingerprints. So nowadays everyone is using my biometric, that may be government sector or public sector or private sector. So whenever any employees they are entering into the organization, they have to give the biometric with fingerprints. And whenever they are leaving from the organization, they give the biometric, so that whether really respective employee or end user has to come to the organization or not. Signature. So right now, currently July 31st, we are going to file income tax. For that one, we'll do digital signature or income tax filing. So for that one, we have to make sure that we have to do digital signature. Whenever we are doing digital signature, it will identify the respective candidate. So who is what is the identity of the end user, whether he is the correct person to file income tax filing or not. This is not only applicable to just what a practical scenario given income tax filing, but also it is applicable to organization point of view. What is the traceability? Who is doing what? Whether anyone is adding or deleting or modifying or changing the data, that is called integrity basically. So those things will fall under the physical security. So that is the second security technology. So far we completed two. First one is information. A second one is physical. Third one, I will go with endpoint security. So before going to endpoint security, first of all, I want to explain what is mean by endpoint. Whenever if you want to refer endpoint, it is nothing but end user machine or employee machine or host machine, or so whoever using laptop or MacBook or workstation in the organization. For example, take ICICI Bank. Who is the end user or who is the endpoint? Clerk, and also so respective probationary officer, assistant manager, and manager of the branch, and also whoever is giving the money, that is cashier machine. So those people we can call it as endpoints. In the similar way, take healthcare industry, example Reddy's lab. Who are all the endpoints in the Reddy's lab? Obviously, so whoever is taking care of the production and who is taking care of the R&D, developing the pills or tablets or vaccination, using the laptop or MacBook or workstation or applications. In the similar way, whoever is part of the administration in the part of the Redis lab, whatever equipments or devices or assets or computer devices they are using, like laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop, those machines or assets or devices, we can call it as endpoints. So from the security point of view, what are the different types of security technologies we have to implement? If it is ICICI Bank, if it is Redis Lab, just now whatever I referred, we have to implement first and foremost antivirus or EDR or anti-malware or XDR. I did not include all those here. So whenever any attacker trying to do malware category of the attacks, it will block it. Second one is encryption. So that is the second solution we have to implement on the laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop or server as well. Third one is data loss or data leak prevention. Maybe you are leaving from Redis, lab and you resign from the Redis lab. You are moving to maybe Hetero Drugs or MSN or Arabindo or Biocon. In that scenario, what you will do, whatever projects you are working on, you'll copy everything to pen drive or maybe through email to your personal email ID, so that it will useful for your future reference, right? So, but that should not be accepted by the respective companies or organizations. In the similar way, whatever applications they are developing, we should not disclose the code. That may be Java or ASP.NET or full stack developer or React to JS or HTML or JavaScript or Python or PowerShell or Perl. You should not copy the data, part of the CI/CD pipeline. So that is nothing but DLP. Okay. So these things will fall under the endpoint security. We should make sure that each and every computer or laptop or workstation or desktop or server or database they are using, we have to implement these particular solutions from the security point of view, so that attackers should not compromise our data or unauthorized access or maybe sensitive data exposure or data exfiltration. So that will fall under the endpoint security. So I'm going back to the our main slide. So far I completed 3: information security, physical security, endpoint security. Next one is network security. So whenever we are referring the network security, this is applicable to both cloud as well as the data center or on-premise. We have seen couple of months back, Google company, they are making one of the world biggest data center in Mumbai. In the similar way, Microsoft, they are making world biggest data center in Mumbai location. So whatever data center they are making is a part of the LAN or WAN or PAN or MAN, and so they should not expose or they should not exfiltrate. They should not so exfiltrate related to data or information or confidentiality or integrity and availability. So, for example, Microsoft is developing one of the data center in the Mumbai financial district. So they can make sure that they have to implement couple of security solutions from the trust zone or untouched zone or DMZ or DMZ zone, or maybe in the network LAN or WAN or MAN or PAN. We have to implement couple of security solutions to make sure that Microsoft company should not disclose their data. For that one, we have to implement couple of security solutions are next generation firewall or firewall, proxy or web gateway or security web gateway or application gateway in the network side or perimeter side. In the similar way, we have to implement network IDS, network IPS. In the similar way, we have to implement load balancer, balancing of the traffic. So this is not only applicable to data center or on-premise or site, but also this is include even cloud as well. So that will fall under the network security. So next security technologies is infra security. That is fifth one. Whenever I'm referring the infra security, so always consider endpoints and databases like laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop or servers or databases. So these are all things we can consider as a infrastructure. General meaning of the infrastructure is like tables or chairs or fans or air conditioner and so on. But I'm not referring into those particular infrastructure organization point of view. But whatever I'm referring here completely from the security point of view. So from the security point of what it mean by infrastructure security, whatever assets we do have, whatever servers we do have, whatever endpoints we do have, we should make sure that always our software should be upgraded to latest version. Our libraries should be upgraded to latest version. Our packages should be upgraded to latest version. If they don't upgrade, what will happen? Obviously, attacker will try to do hacking, and also he will try to do disclose of the confidential data, disclose of the data exfiltration or unauthorized access or sensitive data exposure. So whatever assets we do have, whatever servers we do have, whatever databases we do have part of the organization, we can make sure that we can do scanning and we can identify what are the weaknesses or problems or issues or vulnerabilities are identified in those assets. We should make sure that we can fix those weakness or problems or issues or vulnerabilities. So that is nothing but infrastructure security. Okay. So far I completed 5 technologies: information security, physical security, endpoint security, network security, infrastructure security. So these 5 will fall under completely legacy or old or existing technologies from the 1984 to till today. It's not outdated, it's not end of life, it's not end of support, but still it is existing. So that is about first 5 branches or domains or subdomains of the security technologies. Here we go now. Trending technologies in the security field are application security, cloud security, product security, cyber security, mobile, OT, IoT, and IIoT, cryptocurrency, blockchain, generative AI security, part of machine learning capability. So these are the trending technologies. From 6th to 12th or 13th or 14th, we have very limited people are available in the market. Part of the each and every country, India or USA or UK or Australia and so on. So let's go and discuss about the each and every security technology from 6th to 12th. So I'm going to application security now. So applications uses are increased, maybe approximate 2013 or 14th. So at the time of the pandemic or corona, these uses increased a lot because we should not go outside because of the quarantine zones, because of the virus exploitation part of the corona and so on. Then what each and every company, they have done part of the mobile or applications, they have developed the apps. So for each and everything nowadays are apps. Morning you are waking up the bed till you are going or sleeping to the bed. Each and everywhere we can use the respect apps. For breakfast, we can use app to get the food delivery. In the similar way, so for dinner, for delivery, for each and everything, we are using apps. So everything is like a digital part. So applications uses are increased from 2017 onwards when the smartphone mobiles revolutions are increased, when the internet cost is reduced a lot, and also 4G, 5G, 3G, 2G, that expansion of the telecom spectrum. So that is the reason application usage or bandwidth utilization and also internet usage we are getting for cheaper cost. So these applications are in our day-to-day life usage increased a lot. Now what hackers or intruders or attackers they're trying to do, they're hacking PhonePay or Google Pay or Paytm or Beam UPI or so Zomato, Triggy, Zomato or Swiggy or Rapido or Uber or Ola, whatever it may be. So each and every application, whatever they are developing, part of the organization, they can make sure that part of the SDLC life cycle. For example, PhonePay, Google Pay, or Swiggy or Zomato, whenever they are developing any app, so every application development contains software development life cycle, starting with requirement phase, design phase, development phase, testing phase, release phase. If they want to develop any website for booking of the IRCTC or booking of the travel, booking of the food, booking of the bank, maybe money transaction, booking of the health slot, and so on. So SDLC life cycle is a mandatory, right? So till 2017 or 2018, we are not concentrating on the security each and every phase. We were concentrating security testing only on the testing level. But testing level is very reactive in nature because we are going to deliver the feature to the public. When you are doing the testing of the security, we can't fix all the issues whatever we identified using waterfall method. So that is the reason nowadays every application development, product development, mobile development, OT, IoT security development, they are using Agile and Scrum process. Agile and Scrum process is applicable to each and every phase, part of the parallel process approach. Before implementing the one phase, we can go and we can deliver to so other phase as well, like a parallel processing part. So As a part of the Agile and Scrum process, as a part of the SDLC life cycle, we can implement security features in the requirement phase. For example, maybe WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram. They want to develop the new feature. That feature name is called as audio and video call recording. Right now, we don't have that option. Maybe we want to develop that particular audio call and video call along with record option in the WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook or maybe Twitter and so on. So whenever they want to develop this particular feature in the WhatsApp, so Instagram or Facebook and so on, they will follow the SDLC life cycle. So as a security person or as a security architect or consultant, so instead of the going and doing testing in the testing environment, we can make sure that each and every phase we have to concentrate security as well. From the requirement side, what is the example I given? WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, audio and video call recording. Right now it is not existing. Maybe in future they will develop that particular feature. So as a requirement, what is the requirement here? So requirement is WhatsApp call recording. From the security point of view, is there any confidentiality, privacy, or integrity, or availability, or authentication, or authorization related data can be disclosed? We have to verify by sitting with the developers. In the design phase, as a security person, we have to do threat modeling. What are software architects or solution architects? They develop the respective application or mobile or product or OT or IoT. We can identify is there any weakness or vulnerabilities or existing part of the confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, or the authorization part. That is called design. In case we identified any issues from the security point of view, we have to inform the respective software architects. In the development level, whatever just now I give an example, WhatsApp call recording option, Facebook recording option, or Instagram recording option. So backend they will use couple of programming languages like Java or full stack developer or maybe React to JS or Node.js or ASP.NET framework or C++ or microservice based application and so on. Part of CI/CD pipeline, we can make sure that whatever code they are developing, is there any code related issues are there from security point of view against WASP top 10. In the similar way, is there any third party softwares they are using part of so Oracle Java, Node.js and React to JS or Python or PowerShell or Perl or OpenSSL and so on. We have to verify from security point of view they are using legacy or outdated libraries and packages and so on. That will fall under the development part of CI/CD pipeline. We have to work with respective developers. We have to work with the DevOps team. We have to work with the site reliable engineering team as well. So next one is testing level. So whatever feature just now I give an example part of the WhatsApp call record or Instagram record or so Facebook recording call option. So testing team, maybe Selenium testing tools or Java testing tools or JavaScript testing tools, they will do both automated and manual way of the testing using load runner testing or using automated and using manual way. They will do functional and feature performance testing only, but they will not to take care of the security testing. So whenever any feature related to application or product or mobile or OT or IoT or blockchain or cryptocurrency feature are going to release or public, we can make sure that we can take care of the security testing as well. That is called penetration testing and vulnerability assessment using black box, white box, and gray box. Once we will complete the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, then we can release to the public. Then each and every customer they will use for public purpose. That is called release cycle. It is also called as a production. It is also called a general availability. That is called application. This particular process, just now whatever I explained, it is not only applicable to application, but also it is applicable to mobile, it is applicable to product, it is applicable to OT and IoT and IIoT development as well. So that is about application, product and mobile, and also blockchain and cryptocurrency development as a security part. So I covered in this particular slide, there are so many security technologies, application, product, mobile, all these as a part of the development side. Okay. So next security technology, cloud security. So whatever applications are migrating part of the on-premise to cloud or part of the infrastructure as a service, that is called IaaS or PaaS, platform as a service, or SaaS, software as a service. So each and every application that is migrating from on-premise to cloud, or whatever products they are developing, whatever mobiles they are developing, whatever OTs or what solutions they are developing, we have to implement cloud security solution as well. We have the biggest cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and also we have Oracle or Oracle, whatever, IBM, Alibaba from China. So these are the very famous cloud service providers. Whenever any solution are migrating from on-premise to cloud or data center cloud, we can make sure that each and every application or product or mobile or solution are migrating from on-premise to cloud, we have to implement couple of security services, infrastructure, platform, data, and also so cyber, everything part of the respective cloud service provider. Couple of solutions are identity and access management, logging and monitoring, compliance as part of auditing side. Whenever someone they are accessing the cloud services related application, product or mobile, KMS or key vault related to encryption, data at rest and data at transit, firewall, network access control is security groups, data at rest encryption, data at transit encryption. So all the logs should be integrated to the respective security solution. That will fall under the cloud security, one of the trending technologies right now in the market, and a very, very, very limited people are available in the market. So that is nothing but cloud security. So cyber security, I'll explain last. I'm skipping this one right now. Mobile security, as I said, whatever mobile service providers they are developing the mobile, like Apple or Samsung or maybe so Redmi and so on. Respect to mobile, they have to follow the SDLC life cycle. Whenever they are developing any mobile related to SaaS based or IS based or hardware based, using embedded system, using VLSI design, whatever it may be, they can make sure that each and every phase of the mobile security, we can implement security technologies. I discussed already part of application security. For example, maybe Apple is developing one of the product name is called so iOS 16. So in that particular scenario, whatever mobile they are developing, that hardware based using embedded system, using VLSI design, C++ programming languages related to hardware based. In this similar way, what are applications they are by default they are including? That is Apple iOS or Mac iOS. In this similar way, couple of inbuilt features of the YouTube or Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Play Store and so on. Each and every software they are developing, they can make sure that security should be implemented and attackers should not compromise whenever they are purchasing any mobile. Okay, nowadays, couple of companies they are providing mobile to employees as well. In that scenario, they should not get compromised related to organizational data, related to personal data as well. So that is mobile security. It is almost equals to Motorola, Nokia, Apple, Samsung, Redmi, whoever it may be. They should make sure that each and every phase of the STL's life cycle, they have to implement security. So that is about mobile security. Next one, OT, IoT, and IIoT. OT is nothing but operational technology. IoT, Internet of Things. IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things. So these OT, IoT, IIoT will fall under the different types of solutions like SCADA, electrical, mechanical, automobile industry, programmable, logical related part in the similar way. So Internet of Things, for example, I'm sitting in my home and I'm controlling my air conditioner, my fan, my mobile, and also my television. All those will fall under the Internet of Things, right? So these things will coordinate with our internet. Maybe attacker will try to do hacking using that particular internet. They'll compromise whatever IoT related information and they will do hacking part. It's one of the trending technologies right now in the TCS, Infosys, Robert Bosch, Honeywell, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, each and every company, they are recruiting operational technologies related professional support, IoT related professional support, and IIoT related professional support. Almost each and every product based company and all service based company. It is one of the trending technology right now in the market, and very, 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 very limited people are available in the market. So once again, it will take care of the part of the STL's life cycle, part of the operational technologies like L1, L2, and L3 support. So next one, I think generate AI security. So that is the 12th one. So when I say generative AI, it's a machine learning capability and also artificial intelligence capability. So each and every automated way, so whatever they are developing to reduce the cost, to reduce the automation, to reduce the resources so that we can minimize the cost or price. So everything should be like a automation or machine learning based on the past experience, based on the behavior, based on the so real-time monitoring kind of thing. So nowadays, these generative AI security we are implementing on the application, mobile, cloud, each and every platform. So yesterday they conducted Miss Universe related generated AI. So competition, some ex-girl is selected for the generated AI Miss World competition part. So nowadays, each and everywhere, they are developing the artificial intelligence, machine learning. So to make sure that humans are not important, everything can be taken care by the machine itself. So whatever Elon Musk, whoever it may be, always they will fight with the society, they will fight with the human beings. Yeah, certain times we should accept, couple of times we should not accept. In the cybersecurity field, I don't accept. Even the machine learning capability, artificial intelligence capability will come. Obviously, without human beings, we can't do incident investigation and forensic analysis. So don't worry about ML and AI or generative AI. So to take care of the respective operational capability, solution capability, each and every field, human beings are required. So that is about generate AI. Last one is cyber security. So in this cyber
Hello,
security,
hello, RK.
yes, please.
What about product security? You didn't explain about product security.
Yeah, product security. Yeah, it's a good question. Thanks for asking.
Yes.
It's one of the trending technology right now in the market. I think which one? 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yeah, product security also is a part of the SDL's life cycle. Take example of the Nokia mobiles or Motorola or maybe Robert Bosch or Quest Global Aviation Products or Honeywell building oriented or aviation products. In the similar way, Robert Bosch aviation or building or water product they are developing, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and so on. So they have the combination of both SaaS based and hardware based. So whatever product they are developing, so they have the if it is SaaS based, we should worry about only application security. If the product they are developing, for example, take Wipro, they are developing one of the bulb related to electrical field. In the similar way, so Elon Musk is developed electrical car. Electrical car is a product. What are raw materials they are using for electrical car and whatever product they are developing part of the fan or air conditioner or television, whatever it may be. So that may be hardware or software. We should make sure that in the embedded system side and also whatever applications they are developing on top of the product, each and every phase of the product, we should take care of the so respective security related issues identification. For example, I will give practical scenario. Nokia is developing related to mobile. So what are mobile they are using for hardware and software based combination. So what is the requirement? Part of the, as I mentioned earlier, Agile and Scrum process. We should do the product backlog refinement. Who will do the product backlog refinement? Product owner. In our product, what is missing right now from the feature point of related to functional or normal feature, that will be taken a product owner. Then who will take care of the security point of view related to product? Obviously, security product owner. Nowadays, each and every product development company is recruiting PO related to product. They will consider about the security related issues or phase or vulnerabilities or flaws are existing in the product. As I mentioned, Nokia site mobile. So they will recruit one of the product owner related to dedicated to security. In the similar way, what are feature they are developing in the design side related to say software architects, related functional or feature point of view. So we have to sit with as a product security architect, and we should understand about the design defined by the software architects or solution architects or product architects. We should understand. So from the security point of view, is there any issues are existing based on the Microsoft threat analysis, PASTA, dread analysis? We should take care of the couple of vulnerabilities identification. Currently, I'm working as a product security owner by the by in my current role. Okay. In the similar way, development level, what a product they are developing. As I said, example of the Nokia, part of the C, C++, Java based or microservice based or .NET related based or the Python based applications they are developing. Is there any coding related issues are there? Is there any third party software related issues are there? From the product point of view, you should make sure that so ask them to fix those bugs or issues or what flaws it is identified in the product side. Finally, in the testing side of the product, we should take care of the product security testing, part of the black box, white box, and gray box. And we should ask the developers or testers or maybe design team or maybe the site level engineer team to fix those issues. Once we will do the security sign off, then only Nokia company will release product related to mobile to the public as a general or so uh, production oriented mobile to the public. So that is called product security. It's one of the trending technologies right now in the market. Is it clear?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, I'm going too much in depth analysis in the demo itself. I'm not sure how many people are understanding. I'm not sure how many people are not able to understand. Because it's not one security technologies, because I'm covering so many security technologies. These many security technologies are there. So if you want to increase your career growth in the multiple technologies point of view. So I do have the experience on all the security technologies, whatever I am just now giving the presentation part. Last but not least, cyber security. Let's go and discuss. Yeah, here we go. Cyber security. Cyber security, it is like 24 bar 7 security monitoring using couple of the tools. Those tools are SIEM, that is nothing but security information and event management. So every organization, take example of the, so maybe Google itself. Google has the Gmail, Google has the Google Drive, Google has the Google Maps, Google has the YouTube, Google has the Google Ads, and so on. So each and every product Google is developing. So Google company has to take care 24 bar 7 monitoring from the apps, Drive, emails, ads, YouTube. From the attacker point of view, is there any attacker or hacker they are trying to do? That is one of the example. From the Google side, it's related to product based company. In the similar way, take example of IBM. So IBM has servers, databases, applications, so organization, and so on. Each and every product or application or servers and databases they are developing, they should monitor 24 bar 7. Take example HSBC Bank. They have the personal loan, they have the health loan, they have the so normal mobile banking or net banking, and also they have a lot of car loan and also home loan and so on. They should take care of the 24 bar 7 monitoring from the security point of view. That is on the net bank, sorry, financial oriented. In the similar way, take example of Apollo Pharmacy or Apollo Hospitals. Patient monitoring, whoever diseases they do have, registration, and also databases, servers, data centers, application, on-site consulting, and so on. That is on the healthcare oriented. Take example of the travel based. Example, take Orange Business Travels or Orange Travels. So ticket booking on sorry departure or maybe arrival part, payment related, so booking related, so payment transaction, and so on. Each and everything they should make sure that 24 bar 7 they have to monitor the security from the endpoint, application, database, server,
Hello, RK. Hello. Hello, RK.
He lost his connection, bro.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, maybe he'll join soon.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
We lost your voice, sir.
Hello, am I
No, sir,
issues
your
and
voice is
router is
breaking.
Yeah, you're audible.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಐಡಿ ಜೋಡ వీళ్ళందరూ అట్లా అని చెప్తారా ఆమె డిగ్రీ పాస్ అయినా బీటెక్
అన్ని వద్దురా నాకు Other guys, please mute yourself. It's getting disturbance. Others.
The person could you please the person who is not speaking, would you please go on mute, please?
Sir will join. Wait. So, sir having network issue.
sorry guys, some network issues. Yeah, so cybersecurity is a single console. And so for that one, we'll use one of the SIM tool to take care of the instant investigation forensic analysis. So that is about cybersecurity. Under cybersecurity, we have multiple levels like level 1, level 2, level 3, or tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and so on. So these are all the different types of security technologies. So that is about overall introduction about different types of security technologies. So I covered almost information, physical, endpoint, network, infra, applications, cyber, cloud. In the similar product, mobile, OT, IoT, and generative AI. So coming back now, if we want to move into cybersecurity from existing technologies to new technologies, or maybe if you want to come as a fresher, what are the prerequisites and what are the training requirement we do have? First one is 10 plus 2 plus 3. So when I say 10, 10th standard, so 2 is nothing but 12th or intermediate. 3 is nothing but bachelor of degree. So those people are applicable. Next one is system knowledge. You should have the system knowledge, at least how laptop or MacBook or workstation desktop will work. Next one is English or communication or soft skills. So these are all the prerequisites if you want to enter into cybersecurity field. Not only cybersecurity, any security field. So that is the prerequisites. So how these security technologies we can enter into. So what are the tools I will cover in this particular training? I'll cover, there are so many tools. So this particular training is not only applicable to one security technology. This particular technology training is applicable to multiple technologies. I will cover endpoint, I will cover information, I will cover network, I will cover application, I will cover product. So I will cover almost all the security technologies. So these are all the tools and course details. Duration of the course 60 to 70 or 80 days, because I have to cover so many. And the course includes not only on the professional service or technical support or operational support related to level 1, level 2 and level 3, or tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Whatever knowledge I do have, part of the sales, and even if you want to become CISO of the organization, Chief Information Security Officer, I will provide all those end-to-end knowledge, whatever I do have, I'll transfer it. I don't hide myself. So what I need from you, whether can or not, depending on your IQ or intelligence quotient. So everything, but how much you are grabbing, how much you are taking, how much you are learning, completely depending on your hands only. So next one, resume preparation, mock interviews, maybe placement assistance. I will not give promise on this one, but I will try to do that. And class timings, evening 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I don't have any other time slot. And every session I will give the training. I will record that one. I'll put in the respective Google Drive, and I will give the access to the Google Drive. Whoever is not able to attend the classes, just you can go through the Google Drive and you can watch. So I will provide the material. I will provide the interview questions and everything. Course fee 15,000. It's a nominal fee. So as I said, this particular course is not only, but also I'm covering so many security technologies, whatever I do have the knowledge. Come with sales and pre-sales, design, implementation, and operational support of the each and every security technologies I covered. Past training experience. So far, I given training to 6,200 candidates in Bangalore location, Chennai location, and Hyderabad location, part of the online and offline. Out of 6,200 candidates, 2,800 candidates are selected for multiple companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini, Robert Bose, Honeywell, Mindtree, L&T, and so on. And couple of people or candidates are selected international offers also, starting with Australia, UK, Canada, Dubai, Qatar, Japan, and so on. Highest package for my training, 72 lakhs and also 82 lakhs. So they selected in the Philips company, part of the Bangalore Manita Tech Park. His name is Suresh. Candidate is selected 2.4 lakhs as a fresher. The startup company, her name is all over the worldwide. So I traveled to almost entire Middle East, Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Dubai, Amsterdam, soon maybe USA. Let's see. Yeah, so that's all about overall demo. Now you can ask your question, then I can give the answers. Shoot your questions in Telugu or Tamil or Kannada, whatever language you are comfortable. So you can ask me. Yeah, please.
Yeah, this is Naveen. Actually,